Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreateAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am doing a pour here. This is on a 15 by 30 inch. This is a Frederick canvas. I don't remember where I got them, but I got a few of these that are this size. And anyway, so I'm gonna do some smearing on this. I'm gonna put my white down here real quick. But I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and like and subscribe and share, all that fun jazz. I am getting closer to my 1,000 subscribers. So if you could, watch the video all the way through. That helps my channel out tremendously, and it'll help me get the watch hours that I need in order to get monetized when I do get to 1,000. So if you enjoy it, hopefully you'll watch the whole thing for me and help me out. I appreciate that, but I appreciate just the time that you do spend watching on my videos, and the comments that you guys make are, you guys are always so nice and say the nicest things. So I appreciate your support for my channel. I've been on YouTube here now a little while. It seems like a lot longer than it actually has been, so but I really am enjoying myself. I've met so many nice people, even my subscribers that always comment, and then I comment back on every single one. So if you comment, I'll comment back. And some people, like, I watch their channels as well and show them support if they have a art channel, or if you have any questions on something that I did, you can message me or just say it in a comment to let me know in the comments. Or if you have any suggestions on what I can do differently, or if you'd like to see something differently. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Yeah. So I'm kind of excited about doing this piece. This is a nice size canvas, so I'm really excited about this one. I hope it turns out as well as I have it in my mind. You know, sometimes things don't always work out the way we want them to, but sometimes we get some amazing stuff even though it's not what we set out to do. But so the colors that I'm going to use today are this is Decoart's Metallic Pewter. I'm going to use Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. I'm using Decoart's Metallic Deep Amethyst, or Deep Sapphire. No, yeah, Deep Sapphire. Goodness. And then I'm also using, where did it go? I'm using Decoart's Matte Metallic Black. I did add a little bit of Amsterdam's black oxide just to make it a little bit deeper. This black's just more of a charcoal. Actually, is it called? It is called charcoal. So I did add a little bit of the Amsterdam oxide black in there just to give it a little bit more deeper black. All right, so I think that I'm going to start off with the blue, the sapphire. bring it down for a close-up. Let's look at all that shimmer. So pretty. And look at this crazy cell. Like, what in the world? Oops. Whoops. Focus. There we go. Got some cool lacing. I like that lacing there, even though it kind of got stretched a little bit. I really like how it's like, it's almost like a web. But this is pretty cool right there. The cells that formed there. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody watching. Like I said, so here it is from this view. Then let me come around here, sorry. It looks like a monster or something. Sorry, I'm stepping over pink, so I apologize for that. I hope you guys are all being healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. I appreciate all of your support watching my videos. And all of my art is for purchase, so if you're interested in anything that you see on my channel, or I have an Etsy, I have an Etsy page, but I don't put a lot of stuff on there no more because I don't do really well on Etsy. And they cost so much to post and sell stuff, so it's like, I don't want to put too much more on there because I'm not even selling what's on there, so. But I do have an Instagram and a Facebook page, so you can go there and look at some other stuff that I've done that maybe I haven't made a video on or something. And everything is for purchase, and I also do customized pieces, so if there's something you like, a particular style, but you want some different colors, I can definitely do that, or specific stones I can do for if you want some resin work. But I do thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. And all my information's in the description, so thanks again, everybody. Bye-bye.